What do colors have to do with English idioms? Find out in this quick lesson on 12 colorful phrases. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Out of the blue. Unexpectedly. She called me out of the blue after 5 years. Green with envy. Very jealous. He was green with envy when I showed him my new car. Catch someone red-handed. Catch someone in the act of doing something wrong. The police caught him red-handed stealing the wallet. Black sheep of the family. A person who is considered different or a disgrace. He is the black sheep of the family because he dropped out of school. White lie. A harmless or small lie. I told a white lie to avoid hurting her feelings. Feel blue. Feel sad or depressed. I've been feeling blue lately because of work stress. See red. Get very angry. He saw red when someone scratched his car. In the red. Losing money, being in debt. Our company is still in the red this quarter. In the black. Making profit, not in debt. After years of loss, they're finally in the black. Give someone the green light. Give permission to go ahead. My boss gave me the green light to start the project. With flying colors. With great success. She passed the exam with flying colors.